It's your girl Shana, Jamaican-born personal chef, serving the Central Florida area where we specialize in healthy, conscious meals with a Caribbean kick. Just wanted to give Keisha, the money teacher from Profit Jumpstarter, a big shout out for everything that you've done since we started working together in 2019, when I had to make a big decision about either buying a new house or renewing my lease in my apartment at the time. And because of you and everything that you have taught me, and me putting together a budget and started using the 20-30 rule, where I was able to tuck something to the side in a high yield savings account, big up yourself for that one, thank you very much. I was able, after buying my house, I was able like a year later to make another big decision, walk away from my corporate job. And the only way I was able to do that was because I had something tucked away to the side. Keisha taught me how to be responsible with my money. Okay, how important it is for money management and how important it is for you to manage your money. So when I realized how to do that and started applying everything that she taught me into my daily routines, I was able to start the path of financial freedom.